Motor racing enthusiasts around the world are drawn to MotoGP. It's an exciting sport that requires precision, skill and bravery, and it's a great spectacle. You can watch MotoGP races on TV via your national broadcaster, which takes a feed from the rights holder Dorna Sports. The broadcaster may add in their own pre- and post-race presentation and their own commentary teams. Or you can follow the race directly on a tablet or PC if you purchase a MotoGP season pass from Dorna Sports. 2Immerse uses an object-based approach, and we're applying this to the presentation of MotoGP across multiple screens. Our aim is to explore how we could improve on the already excellent single-screen coverage. In conventional broadcasting, the different elements that make up what you see and hear, videos, graphics, screen layout, audio mix, are all fixed before being broadcast. With the object-based approach, we keep all these elements separate until they're presented on the screen. We start with a clean base video, then layer the separate graphics, video and audio. This enables a content provider to create more flexible and personalised experiences for viewers. For example, the ability to adapt the size and placement of graphics for different sizes of TV is a simple but very powerful capability. If we look at the leaderboard, its design has been optimised for an average sized 32-inch TV. But if your TV is much bigger, then the leaderboard can appear unnecessarily large. With the object-based approach, the size of the leaderboard can be scaled, making space to show the timing gap between riders. Object-based broadcasting in a multi-screen environment can offer further opportunities for content providers to customise the experience for different audiences. If you watch MotoGP regularly, you'll know the letters MAQ is short for Marc Marquez, and you'll recognise his bike on the TV. However, a MotoGP novice will likely need help deciphering the leaderboard and identifying which bike Marquez is riding. By extending the TV experience onto a companion screen, viewers can interact with content perfectly synchronised to the main TV broadcast. You may be really interested in the tyre choices or the split times, or you may want to see the bigger picture in more detail, or you may want to see that replay again. Or mirror an onboard bike cam on the big TV, even see and control the incredible 360 video footage from the back of Zarco's bike. This ability to personalise the experience is unique to the object-based broadcasting approach. But do these facilities really improve the already excellent single-screen experience? Feedback from 2Immerse trials and our discussions with broadcasters and content providers suggest they do. Object-based broadcasting offers new opportunities, but it demands new capabilities in the TV that are only just emerging in the form of the HBB TV 2.0 specification. As these capabilities become the norm, 2Immerse expects content producers and broadcasters to increasingly exploit the benefits that object-based broadcasting can offer. Enjoy the ride.